Pancakes! Raise your hand if you like pancakes. What time is it? What are we going to draw first? Maybe something we eat for breakfast? Who likes pancakes? Raise your hand if you like pancakes. All right, here in Canada, we're known for something else that kind of goes with pancakes. You put it on waffles, French toast. What is it? Maple syrup. Okay, whenever I draw, I always like to start with simple shapes. One shape that I like is like this round one. You're like this. What's it called? Okay, but if I take a circle and then I sit on it, what shape is that? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start by doing some guidelines, okay? Draw very lightly, very lightly. This is what I want you to do. I want you to draw a very light line that goes straight down the middle like so. Just like that, okay? Straight down the middle, if you can see that. Okay, good. On the top here, a little bit down, I'm gonna draw a little circle here and draw a line that goes across like so, just like that. Okay, because that is where we're gonna put our first pancake, all right? Now we're gonna do a little oval. I'm gonna draw a little curved line that goes from here all the way around like this. You see that? Just like that, okay? I'm gonna use my marker. Keep using your pencil. I'm using my marker so you can see properly. All the way around like so, like that, okay? When you look at somebody, what do you use? Your what? Your eyes. How many eyes do you usually have? 2 eyes. So we're going to give our pancake 2 eyes. Okay, how? A little center line here, a little bit over. I'm gonna go ahead and draw a little circle like this. See that? And on the other side, a little dot here. I'm gonna draw another little circle like this. Okay, I'm gonna add a little highlight to that eye. Now, I want you to draw a little circle at the top of that circle. You see that? It's kind of like he's looking up here. But I'm gonna also draw another pair of circles underneath like this. And then fill that in. You see that? Very cute. When I'm eating my pancakes, do I want my pancakes to be sad or happy? What do you do with your mouth when you're happy? So you smile, that's right. So why don't we go ahead and give a nice curved line here? Oh, that's a happy pancake right there. So happy. In fact, I want my pancake to blush a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 2 tiny circles like this. Now let me ask you this. Do you usually just eat 1 pancake? No. Usually it's a stack of pancakes, right? More than 1. How many pancakes should I put here, guys? How many? Why don't we try 7, okay? So how do we do that? I'm gonna draw a curved line that goes right underneath this one. Seven, you can add as much pancakes as you want, depending on how hungry you are. What do I put it on top of? A plate. Why don't we draw a nice big plate underneath? I gotta draw another oval that's much bigger. Going all the way around like that. You know, when I eat my pancakes, I want to have some fat on top. What kind of fat do I put on my pancakes? What is it? Butter. Let's add some butter. This is what we're going to do. Over top of the eyes, I want you to add 1 line that goes straight across like this. Like that. Below it, I want you to add another line, but a little bit longer. Like so. And then connect the lines like this, guys. Connect the lines like this. Look at that. It's like a happy butter. If you want, you could add even 1 more line underneath like this. After that, remember, we're not just drawing pancakes. What else are we drawing? Yeah, that's right, some syrup. We need some syrup. Pretend someone came, pour the syrup on top of our pancake here. So how do we do that? Well, you could do this any way you want. This is the way I do it. I'm gonna draw like a little curved line that goes like this, around like that. And then I'm gonna do little whoopee lines here like this, all the way down. Go whoop, 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 like that. Maybe a little bit beside it again. You could add as much syrup as you want. It's your pancakes. Don't worry about watching your weight. Add as much syrup as you want. I'm gonna add a few more lines like this. All right. There you go. You can add as much syrup as you want. But that is the line art for our very cute pancake. Give yourselves a hand, everybody. Give yourselves a hand. I think this needs color, though. I think it needs a little bit of color. My friends, can I tell you, so I'm going to use markers here. If you have some crayons, feel free to use your crayons, okay? If not, you could add some more later on. And that is our very, very cute pancake. Give yourselves a hand, everybody. Great job. Okay, it's okay if you're not finished yet. Let me see where you are now. Show me your drawings, everybody. Show me where you are. Oh, look at that. Some of them fully colored already. Wonderful job. Now, what I taught you right there, you can apply it to other foods. So I got syrup here on the side here. What's this, guys? What's this? Little bit of bacon. A very, very yummy breakfast, okay? So you can add stuff like that, okay? But all of you are doing an amazing job. Once again, give yourselves a hand, everybody.
I've had a great time with all of you, and I can't wait to see you again. Make sure you subscribe to youtube.com/INCkids to catch future episodes of Time to Draw. And remember, wherever you go, there is always time to draw. See you next time.